Hola familias, Naomi here with Niños en Nature, and Thanksgiving is right around the corner. El Día de Acción de Gracias. Día de Acción de Gracias, Thanksgiving, and I wanted to go ahead and do a roundup blog post with lots of ways that you can celebrate Thanksgiving while learning Spanish with your kiddos. What will you find in this blog post? You will find some tips and tricks on how to say Thanksgiving in Spanish, and an alternative, maybe how to say Happy Turkey Day. In Espanol, you will also find some really fun hands-on activities. Some of them are nature-based, some of them are free printable worksheets that I made for you, and you'll just find some great ideas on how to bring hands-on, play-based Spanish learning into your house this Thanksgiving. So if you're wanting to learn Spanish with your kiddos at home, and if you're wanting even more help bringing some Spanish into your Thanksgiving holiday, check out the blog post. It is linked in the description. And if you have any more ideas on how to celebrate this holiday in Espanol, you can like this video, you can comment below, and you can tell me what you think. How do you like to celebrate? What do you say? Happy Thanksgiving? Happy Turkey Day? What's your favorite food in Spanish? If you want even more hands-on Spanish learning, make sure you check out my Spanish courses. We have Con Mi Familia, which is for preschoolers, play-based, screen-free, super fun. And then we have Spanish in the Wild, which is a bilingual nature study curriculum for kiddos ages 5 and up. No matter where you are in your Spanish learning, whether you are already a bilingual family or you are a total beginner, I have something just for you to help you bring more Spanish learning into your home. So join me, check out my website, lots of ideas, reach out through email or my contact page if you need help or suggestions, and know that I'm here cheering you on from afar and believing that you can do it. We all can do it. Raise bilingual kids while having fun. Ciao amigos, and happy Thanksgiving!